Hi friends, we are from Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now I would like to explain about the project on Arduino based intrusion detection using ultrasonic. We already know about Arduino based intrusion detection using IR, but here some disadvantages are there. It is affected by color. Due to this in night times we can't use this, and which is line of sight communication. The circuit mainly consists of Arduino UNO, servo shield, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor and personal computer. In Arduino UNO we have 14 digital pins and 6 analog pins and power supply pins and 16 MHz clock frequency. Mainly we have USB port which is used to convert the USB data to the serial data and also used for the power supply. Adapter slot is used for the external power supply. The recommended range of adapter is 7 to 12 volts. If input voltage is less than 7 volts, then system goes to unstable, and greater than 12 volts, regulator will be damaged. Because ATmega328 uses 5 volts power supply only. The memory requirement is up to 32 kilobytes, in which 1 kilobyte is used for the EEPROM for library functions of the EEPROM. In digital, transmission and reception pins, these pins are connected to the servo shield. The servo shield is used to drive the servo motor. In servo shield, it max drive up to 10 servo motors. For servo shield, we are given 5 volts external supply because servo shield operate better than 100 milliamps current. But from USB cable, it is less than 100 milliamps current. Next, coming to servo motor. It is used to rotate 180 degrees clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. In earlier days we are using stepper motor, but in stepper motor it is connected by the open loop system, so stability is very less and limited load. But in case of servo motor, it increases the load and stability. Now coming to operation of the ultrasonic sensor. In ultrasonic sensor we have transmission and reception aside. The transmitter transmits the ultrasonic waves or sound waves. If there is any obstacle, signal gets back towards the receiver signal. The ultrasonic sensor is placed on the servo motor, so it rotates 0 to 180 degrees through strip angle is 10 degrees. It monitors the surroundings data and connected to the Arduino receiver pin. The ultrasonic sensor has 3 pins: ground, VCC and signal pin. The signal output pin is given to the Arduino UNO through the servo shield, which is connected to the PC through USB cable. Let's coming to the practical explanation. The personal computer will monitor the corresponding data. If there is any obstacle across the ultrasonic sensor, then the signal reflected back to the receiver. It reads the obstacle and sends to the PC. In PC we can detect where the obstacle and in which direction. It works in between the 10 centimeters to the 400 centimeters range only. It is used in entrance of the gate, mainly in schools and police stations. Okay.